Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
You'll see a number of changes, and I think you'll like it. Our goal is to work together to keep it safe, reliable transportation, great customer service, and a broad choice of
In a smoky room,
A smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes